Yeah, good evening, friends. Myself, Dr. U. Seshadri. I have 18 years of teaching experience. I'm AWS certified trainer at associate level. Friends, I'm providing the training is at associate level. This will take 40 to 45 hours time to take to complete your AWS course at associate level. Once you register the course, everyday class recording videos you got it and class material you got it. At the end of the training, you got AWS interview questions and answers, AWS dumps, that is when you are attempting the global certification exams, foundation level or at associate level. I'm providing the dumps previously asked questions and answers I am providing. And also each and every concept, the screenshot explanation also I am providing. Fine, friends. This is the yesterday the demo session. They are uploaded in the YouTube channel. DurgaSoft is uploaded in the YouTube channel. This is the YouTube channel link I am sending. Fine, friends. For this, the course fee is 5,000 rupees. For this, the course fee is 5,000 rupees. Once you register this course, then every day you are getting class recording videos and class material. And at the end of the training, you are getting those. Fine, friends. See, in the yesterday session, what content I have to cover in my training program, I explained. Now, on yesterday session, I explained the basics of the cloud computing I have to explain. That is, what is cloud computing? What are advantages of cloud computing? And the cloud deployment models or the types of cloud. The types of clouds are public cloud, private cloud, hybrid cloud, and the community cloud. Those are nothing but cloud deployment models. And also in the last session, I explained that what are the cloud delivery models are there. The three types of delivery models are infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service. I explained these delivery models with one slide I have to explain. Oh, now today's session, I want to explore. I want to explore. This is the day two demo session. This is the day two demo session. In this day two demo session, I have to cover the concepts here. How to create your AWS free tier account and the AWS global infrastructure. In introduction, we covered the concept is the AWS global infrastructure, how many regions are there and how many availability zones are there. That concept I have to cover the global infrastructure. And also, friends, in this session, I covered how to launch and connect the Windows server using the EC2 service. See, friends, those are the concepts I have to cover. Already, I'm given in the yesterday session how to create your AWS free tier account. To create your AWS free tier account, you need the credit card or the debit card, your mobile number, and your mail ID is required. These three things are required to create your AWS free tier account. Friends, already I have AWS free tier account. I'm not explaining with hands-on how to create with your AWS free tier account. Now I have to explain with the help of step-by-step screenshots. I have to explain how to create your AWS free tier account. How to create your AWS free tier account. This is I'm providing. See that we have to click on to sign up with your AWS account. We have to click on this is the link to create your AWS free tier account. See that if you want to click on create new account, you have to click on it here. Now you need to enter whatever the mail ID, that is you have the mail ID, that mail ID we have to enter. And you have to enter your AWS account name. Your AWS account name. To give your AWS account name, it is a unique account name we have to use it. That is AWS account name must be unique. Once you enter your mail ID and your account name, you have to click on your verify email address. Once you click on your verify email address, whatever you mention it here, your mail ID, whatever you mention it here, your mail ID, here, whatever you are mention the mail ID, for this mail ID, you receive one OTP you are received. You receive one OTP you are received. That verification code you need to enter it here and then click on verify option. And then click on verify option. Once you click on verify option, then it is asking that you need to enter your AWS account, the password, and again you have to confirm the password. Means again you need to enter the password. Whatever the password you are entered, we have to confirm that password. And then we have to click on continue option. That is the first step you done it while creating your AWS free tier account. While creating your AWS free tier account. Sir, to enter the password, are you given any instructions? Any rules we have to follow to give the password? Yes. To give the password, your password must contain the 8 characters length. Must contain the 8 characters length. 8 characters length. And your password contains at least 3 of the following things: uppercase letter, lowercase letter, numbers, and alphanumeric characters. Your password must be 8 characters length, and it contains any of these 3. Accordingly, we have to enter the password. And then we have to click on continue option. Once you click on the continue option, then it is asking that you need to enter your details. That is, how do you plan to use your AWS account? That's for business or your for personal. Friends, even for practicing purpose, you need to choose personal, you need to choose it. And then you need to enter your name, full name, you enter your mobile number, and you need to enter the country or the region, and you need to enter the address, city, state, and then the postal code. Put the tick mark here and then click on continue option. That is, in the second step, you need to enter your details. You need to enter your details. Once you enter your details in the second step, then it is asking that you need to enter your card details. You need to enter your card details. That is, you have to enter, it may be the credit card or the debit card. That card number you need to enter it. That card expiration month and the year you need to specify. The card holder name you need to enter it. And if you turn on backside, the CVV number is there, the 3-digit CVV number. That's also you need to enter it. And the billing address, you can specify it. And do you have the PAN card? If you have yes, you need to enter the details. Otherwise, we have to choose the no option. And then we have to click on verify and continue options. That the third step, while creating your AWS free tier account, you need to enter your card details. You need to enter your card details. Once you enter your card details, then to your mobile number, you receive one verification, you receive one OTP, one-time password you receive. That one-time password you enter it here. When you enter the OTP and then click on submit option, to your bank account, the 2 rupees will be deducted. 2 rupees will be deducted. That 2 rupees deduction is for verification purpose. The 2 rupees deduction is for verification purpose. That 2 rupees is credited to your AWS, credited to your bank account within 24 hours. That is for verification purpose. The 2 rupees is deducted to your account. Fine. Then again it is asking that you need to confirm your identity. To confirm your identity, either you choose the text message or the voice call. I am choosing the text message. And again, you need to choose country or the region code. And you need to enter the mobile number. Whatever the security check, it will be appear on your screen while creating your AWS account. That security check, you need to enter it here. That security check, you need to enter it here. Okay. And then we have to click on send SMS. Send SMS. Then you can receive your verification code to your mobile number and we have to enter it. Click on continue option. That is nothing but the step 4 we have to done it. Step 4 we have to done it. Once you complete your 4th step, then it's the time to ask that what plan you need to choose it. What is the plan you need to choose it? You are the student, you are for practicing purpose. You need to select the basic support plan. I am recommending that this is the basic support plan you need to choose it. If you choose this plan, it is providing 12 months of the free service is providing. 12 months of the free service is providing. Suppose if you are chosen the developer plan, you need to pay monthly $29. You need to pay it. If you choose the business support, monthly you need to pay $100. $100. So you are for practicing purpose, you need to choose the basic support plan, you need to choose it. And then we have to click on complete sign up process. Complete sign up process. Once you click on complete sign up process, then you are getting congratulations. Go to AWS Management Console. Go to AWS Management Console. Friends, then again it is asking that what is your role? You have to click on this arrow mark and you need to select your role and your interested area, you need to select it and then click on submit option. And then we have to click on submit option. Then your AWS account will be created. Then the screen will appear like that. Then the screen will appear like that. Friends, those are the steps we have to follow to create your AWS free tier account. Once you create your AWS free tier account, already I created the AWS free tier account. If you click on it here, AWS Management Console. AWS Management Console. See that? Sign into the console. Sign into the console. Sign into the console. See, always you need to choose sign in using the root user. Click on sign in using root user. Whatever the mail ID you are given at the time of creation of your AWS account, that mail ID you need to enter it here. Friends, there are 2 types of users are there. 2 types of users are there. One is the root user. Second one is the IAM user. Friends, to practice the AWS services, I'll tell you in detail in IAM concept, identity and access management. To practice your AWS services, every day we have to sign in with your root user mail ID. Whatever the mail ID you are given at the time of your AWS account creation, that mail ID you need to enter it here and then click on next option. Whatever the password you are given at the time of your AWS account creation, that password you need to enter it here and then click on sign. Friends, anywhere account, it is not asking to enter the MFA code. But here in my AWS account, I apply the multi-factor authentication code. I apply the multi-factor authentication code. That is nothing but the additional security I am providing. That additional security, it is displayed in my mobile number, the 6-digit code, I can receive it. That 6-digit code, when I enter that, then only my AWS account will be open. This is my AWS free tier account. Friends, we observe that this is my AWS account name. Those are recently visited services in my AWS account. In my AWS account, those are recently visited services are there. If you click on this one, it is showing that the avail regions which are showing. See that in my AWS account, North Virginia region, US East, US West, California, Hyderabad, Mumbai region, Singapore region, Sydney region, Canada Central. Those many regions are supported in my AWS free tier account. If you scroll down here, at the bottom, there are 12 regions that are not enabled to this AWS account. 12 regions that are not enabled to your AWS account, right? This is once you create your AWS free tier account, this is the appearance will be there anywhere screen. Now, those are the steps you need to follow how to create your AWS free tier account. Now, I need to explore before I can launch and connect the Windows server. I need to explore the concept is the AWS global infrastructure. Sir, when the Amazon Web Services will be started is in 2006. Now, the globally, it is a #1 cloud service platform. Throughout globally, it is #1 cloud service platform. Sir, how it provides the services throughout globally? How it provides the services throughout globally? That is with their data centers. Their data centers as their throughout globally. Across the globe, it has to there. Sir, how many reasons are there? Data center is nothing but the reasons. See, whatever I mention it here, this figure is updated. Here, I can mention that 33 geographical regions are there. That will be correct in before 2 months. Now, the regions are 34 regions are there. 34 regions are there. Not 105 availability zone. Now it is a 108 availability zones are there. 108 availability zones are there. Now, if you click on this link, see here, if you click on this link, then this link is providing the AWS global infrastructure. I'll send it in the chat box also. This is the link. This link is providing the AWS global infrastructure. I have to copy and paste it in your browsers. You are getting the AWS global infrastructure. See here, how many regions are there? 34 launched regions are there. Each region with multiple availability zones. 34 launch regions are there and each region with multiple availability zones are there. And how many availability zones are there? 108 availability zones are there. You scroll down, see that 108 availability zones. Yes, yes, I have to teach the Linux basics. Okay, just wait. After completion of that global infrastructure, I am asking that. See that. How many availability zones it is providing? 108 availability zones are there within 34 geographic regions. Within 34 geographic regions. That's why here it is there. In 34 launched region, each region can have multiple availability zones. Total anywhere AWS having 108 availability zone. They are planned to upgrade 18 more availability zones. 18 more availability zones. And they need to upgrade the 6 more AWS regions in Mexico, New Zealand, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, Thailand, Taiwan, and the European regions. They need to upgrade the regions. How many availability zones they need to upgrade it? 18 more availability zones and 6 more AWS regions. 6 more AWS regions. If you scroll down it here, then this is nothing but the global infrastructure. See, in this AWS global infrastructure, the green color circles which are representing, already availability regions are showing. See that? Mumbai region is there, Hyderabad region is there. See, the green color circles in this global infrastructure, it is representing already existed regions are there. Existed regions are there. And also here, we observe that in this global infrastructure, red color circles are also there. They are nothing but they need to upgrade. They plan to upgrade the 6 more AWS regions in Mexico, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, Thailand, and this region, Taiwan, right? That is, they are mentioned here. They need to upgrade 6 more AWS regions in Mexico, New Zealand, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, Thailand, Taiwan, and the Europe. This diagram is representing the global infrastructure. Global infrastructure. Now, sir, you are saying that in AWS global infrastructure, 34 regions are there. 34 regions are there. And 108 availability zones are there. And also you are saying, sir, the point is each region can have multiple availability zones. Sir, where the multiple availability zones are there? This is my AWS pre-direct. Here, if you click on this arrow mark, those are nothing but the regions. See, whatever I am seeing here, see that Mumbai region, Hyderabad region. Mumbai region, Hyderabad region in our India. Now, see that if you click on that, those are nothing but the regions. If you click on this Mumbai region, now I am using the data center is Mumbai region data center. What I am saying the point is, here globally 34 regions are there. Each region can have multiple availability zones. See that here I am selecting the Mumbai region. Now, if you click on it here on EC2, in instances, I'll tell you in detail, don't worry. Now, see here, in the network settings edit option, subnet. We observe that here I am there in Mumbai region. In Mumbai region, how many availability zones are there? See that? AP South 1A. Availability zone AP South 1A. Availability zone AP South 1B. Availability zone AP South 1C. Means in Mumbai region, if you are taking, how many availability zones are there? 3 availability zones are there. 3 availability zones are there. Similarly, if I am taking Hyderabad region, see that in network setting edit option, here in subnet, how many availability zones are there in Hyderabad region? See here, AP South 2A, AP South 2B, AP South 2C. Means in Hyderabad region is also 3 availability zones are there. In Hyderabad region is also 3 availability zones are there. Now, if you take North Virginia region, in this North Virginia region, network setting edit option, subnet we have to click on. See that US East 1A, US East 1B, US East 1D, US East 1E, US East 1C, US East 1F. Totally here in North Virginia region, 6 availability zones are there. In North Virginia region, totally the 6 availability zones are there. That's why I mentioned that each region can have multiple availability zones are there. Globally, how many regions are there? 34 regions are there. How many availability zones are there? 108 availability zones are there. 108 availability zones are there. Sir, why they need each region can have the multiple availability zone? If I am chosen the Mumbai region, how many availability zones are there? There are 3 availability zones are there. How many availability zones are there? There are 3 availability zones are there. This is nothing but the AP South 1E. That is the availability zone name is, this is here, this is the availability zone 1. This is in Mumbai region, the availability zone 2. This is the third availability zone. Sir, why you need the 3 availability zone? That is to deploy your application, you are not chosen the single availability zone. However, from one availability zone to another availability zone, there is a strong connection is there. Here, they are using the cloud environment. They are using very strong and robust availability zones. Even though that sometimes it may be down, whatever you deploy your applications, that should not be disturbed. That's why your application should deploy more than one availability zone. If one availability zone may be down, then your application will safely running in the remaining availability zone. That is the reason the AWS is planning in each region can have the multiple availability zone. In Mumbai region, 3 availability zones are there. In Hyderabad region, 3 availability zones are there. In North Virginia region, 6 availability zones are there. Remember, the highest availability zones, the reason is North Virginia region. Highest availability zone, the region or the data center is the North Virginia region. This one, North Virginia region. Fine. This is I am given the introduction about the AWS global infrastructure I am representing.
Sir,
Friends,
sorry to cut you, sir. Just I want to understand exactly what is availability zone.
The availability zone is nothing but, that is nothing but one type of the servers. Servers rack it is providing. Server rack it is providing. See that what is availability zone? What is availability zone in AWS? In AWS. See here, in diagrammatically, we observe that where this is, that is nothing but one racks, different racks are there. On that, your application should be deployed. Your application should be deployed. It's not there, it's not visible. Okay. This is Azure.
So just a question.
Yeah.
For example, it is a racket of servers. I got that point, sir. For example, if the data center got shut down in Hyderabad, so
Okay.
automatically the availability will shift to Mumbai.
That is, we can migrate it. We can migrate it.
Okay.
Okay. We can shifting to another region is nothing but we can migrate from one availability zone to another availability zone, or from one region to another region, we can migrate it.
Just one more question, sir. So
Okay.
what is the means why they need to maintain different availability zones within the same region?
That is, I am saying that in one data center, if you are chosen the Mumbai region or the North Virginia region, if your application should be deployed in AP South 1A, there are in Mumbai region the three availability zones are there. That is AP South 1A, AP South 1A, and one more availability zone is one more availability zone. The three availability zones are there in Mumbai region: AP South 1A and AP South 1B and AP South 1C. There are three availability zones are there. Suppose your application should deploy, you are chosen this availability zone. You are chosen this availability zone. Maybe it is a very strongly connected, very robust one, even though that sometimes your availability zone may be down due to some reasons. That's why your application should be disturbed. Your application should not be accessed to others. That is the reason you are deploy the application, not you are choosing the single availability zone. You may choose the multiple availability zone. We can deploy your application more than one availability zone. Then even one availability zone can be down, and then your application should be safely running in another availability zone. Right? That is the reason they are introducing the more availability zone in one region or in one data center. Clear?
Sir, for example, if all the availability zones are down, means it is a loss of business, right?
No, that's not done it here. That's not done it here. Even though that single availability zone is also not down. That's make sure that.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir, it's clear.
Fine. Any questions? Any questions regarding this? That is, right now I have to explain how to create your AWS free tier account. How to create your AWS free tier account. And in AWS, the global infrastructure I have to explain. In the AWS global infrastructure, globally 34 launched regions are there. Each region can have multiple availability zones are there. In the AWS global infrastructure, 34 regions are there and 108 availability zones are there. 108 availability zones are there. Now, if you come to here, if you create your AWS free tier account, it is providing the 12 months of the free service. 12 months of the free service it is providing. Okay, I'll tell you this part. Just wait for 1 minute. Just wait for 1 minute. See friends, once you register these codes, then after completion of that, you need to apply the global certification exam. Then you can first you can write it. After completion of that, you can preparation is well, then you can go for the foundation level. I am providing the training is at associate level training I am providing. At associate level training I am providing. Sir, once you are eligible, you are certified in the foundation level, you are certified in the foundation level, the certification is globally valid, the 3 years is valid. And then this foundation certified person has to write AWS certified solution architect at associate level. This guy can eligible for AWS certified developer associate level. This person is also eligible for AWS certified system apps administrator associate level. Or you may write the exam directly at associate level also, no problem. The certification is valid the 3 years only. I recommend that don't go for directly with the professional level. Step by step, we have to go it. First, the foundation level, and you got the job. Then the certification has to be valid the 3 years, and then you can go for the associate level. After that, you are learning some experience in the AWS environment. Then you are learning some tools. Then you can go for the professional level. Professional level. That is the reason for the freshers, they are not given the DevOps jobs. Direct, they are not given the DevOps jobs. We can work with the AWS 2 to 3 years. Then you have the experience, then you can go for the DevOps engineers. DevOps engineers. Fine, friends. I am providing the training. This is at associate level. I am providing the training. I am providing the training is at associate level. Sir, once you are certified, you assume that once you certified at associate level, then the this the candidate is written, this is the certification exam at associate level. AWS certified solution architect associate level. Then this person is eligible to write AWS certified solution architect professional level. This candidate is also eligible for to write AWS certified DevOps engineer. AWS certified DevOps engineer. This guy is also eligible to write AWS DevOps engineer. This guy is also eligible to write AWS DevOps engineering, the certification. Apart from these, the AWS is providing the many more specialization certifications are providing. AWS certified big data, AWS certified Alexa skill builder, AWS certified machine learning specialty, AWS certified advanced networking, AWS certified security, and many more specialized certifications are providing. That's why now the AWS is in #1 cloud service platform. Throughout globally, the AWS is providing the #1 cloud service platform, right? See, the certifications is valid 3 years globally. 3 years globally, right? There are 3 associate certificate. You are training for 3 associate certifications. Yes, that is, I am providing the training is the associate level certifications. I am providing the training. After completion of that, I am sending the dumps. We have to prepare the AWS dumps thoroughly, and then we can attempt the associate level certification, any of them, any one of them, we can apply it. Okay. But that there is no need of required the programming skills. You have to learn this course mandatory. Is there any programming skills are required means? Not mandatory. You have the programming skills, then it's a good enough, no problem at all, right? Then you may apply the developers. You may apply the developer jobs, you can apply it. You don't have the programming skills, I have the less programming skills, then you can go for the administration level. There are various jobs are there, different jobs are there. To learn this course, no need of the programming knowledge, no need of the programming language knowledge, right? Even freshers are also without computer skills persons also, they can learn the AWS, they can learn the Azure also, right? That is there. You are those are nothing but the certifications point of view. I am representing, this is the slide. Certification point of view, we can I am representing, this is slide. See that how to write this exam is, you can go for your the website AWS, and we have to register for the certification, and you only need to pay the amount, whatever they are mentioned the price. for the foundation level or at associate level. When I write the exam in 2 years back in associate level, 15,000 plus GST I paid it. 15,000 rupees plus GST I paid it. Now the price may be vary. We can check it. Accordingly, you need to pay the exam fee, and you can schedule the exam, and you only write the exam. You only write the exam. So I'm providing the training is at associate level training I'm providing. Fine, friends. Fine. Now, what I am telling is, if you are creating your AWS free tier account, is there any limitations to your AWS free tier account? Is there any limitations to your AWS free tier account? You have to click on this link. Here in the class material, I am mention the links, some links I have to mention. Okay. You have to click on this link. You have to scroll down. You have to scroll down. We have to scroll down. See that there are many services, their limitations which are representing. See here, one service is nothing but the compute service. That is the Amazon EC2 service. How many months it is providing the free services? That 12 months it is providing the free service. 12 months it is providing the free service. Sir, per month, how many hours it is providing the free service? The EC2, 750 hours per month. 750 hours per month it is providing the free service. Sir, in Mumbai region or any region you are taking, there are many instant types are there. Many instant types are there. Sir, what it is providing the instant type? What it is providing the instant type? The instant type, it provides the CPUs, it provides the CPUs and the memory, and the network performance can be provided. The instant type is providing CPUs, memory, and the network performance. Network performance. This is providing the instant type. See, there are many instant types are there. If I am selecting the Mumbai region, suppose you need to launch the Linux server or you need to launch the Windows server, you mandatory select the instant type as per your business needs, as per your business requirement. See that here I am there in Mumbai region. If you click on compare instant types, see, we observe that how many instant types are there in Mumbai region. I am there in Mumbai region. In Mumbai region, how many instant types are there? 549 instant types are there. 549 instant types are there. Exactly, if you open this one in the last 1 month back, 538 instant types are there. 538 instant types are there. Every month, the AWS is upgrading as per the business requirement. Now in Mumbai region, 549 instant types are there. 549 instant types are there. See that already I told that the instant type is providing, what it is providing is, it provides the number of CPUs. It provides the memory, and it is providing the storage, and it is providing the network performance. It is providing the network performance. See that if you launch your the instant, if you launch your the instant, if you launch your the Linux server or the Windows server, Linux server or the Windows server, you need to select the instant type. As per your business requirement, you need to select the instant type. For example, if we are chosen in Mumbai region, yes, it is switched to the Mumbai region. Yes, I am there in Mumbai region. Yeah, see that. Suppose if we are chosen, as per my business requirement, if I am chosen T3.2 extra large, T3.2 extra large, that is the instant type I am selecting. How many CPUs are providing? 8 CPUs. How much memory is providing? 32 GB memory is providing. What is the network performance? 5 gigabit network performance. If we are using the instant type is C4.4 extra large, 16 CPUs are providing, 30 GB memory, network performance is high is providing. See, accordingly, you are getting billed to your AWS account, even though that you are chosen your AWS free tier account. Sir, just now you are saying that, sir, you are created your AWS free tier account. I am chosen the instant is this instant. That is, this is the instant I am chosen. T3.2 extra large, it is providing 8 CPUs, 32 GB memory, and the network performance is up to the 5 gigabit. The instant type I am chosen, T3.2 extra large. No doubt about it, you are getting built to your AWS account. You are getting billed to your AWS account. See, here it is mentioned that the AWS free tier account, the limitations. That's why here I have to mention that the free tier details, I have to mention it here. See, if you click on this link in the EC2 service, how many hours per month it is providing the free service is 750 hours it is providing the free service. 750 hours it is providing the free service. See that 750 hours per month of the Linux server, Red Hat Linux, SUSE Linux, T2.micro or T3.micro instance depends on the region it is providing the free service. Sir, for practicing purpose, you need to choose the instant type is the T2.micro. T2.micro. How many CPUs are providing is 1 CPU is providing. How much memory it is providing is 1 GB memory is providing. The network performance is low to moderate. That is depends on the region. The T2.micro or T3.micro is providing the free service. Suppose if T2.micro is not available on that particular region, then the T3.micro is providing the free service. See that I am there in Mumbai region. If I switch to the Hyderabad region, if I switch to the Hyderabad region, if I switch to the Hyderabad region, while launching the instant, while launching the Linux server or while launching the Windows server, see that I have to click on here, compare instant types are there. Is there any T2.micro instant type is available here? Is there any T2.micro instant type? It will be shown here. No. The in Hyderabad region, T2.micro instant is not there. Instant is not there. Only the T3.micro is there. See that T2.micro instant is not there. See, in the region T2.micro instant is not available, then T3.micro instant is providing the free service. That is here it is represented here. See that. See that. 750 hours per month of Windows. See that. For Linux mission, Red Hat Linux, SUSE Linux, T2.micro or T3.micro instance depends on the region. Per month 750 hours it is providing the free service. Similarly for Windows mission also the same. 750 hours of Windows T2.micro or T3.micro instance depends on the region. Depends on the region, right? See, those are nothing but the free tier account limitations in the EC2 service. Similarly for S3 service also. Similarly for S3 service also. How many months it is providing the free service? 12 months. What is the storage capacity it is represented? 5 GB. 5 GB. See, if you click on it here, 5 GB standard storage, 20,000 get request, 20,000 get request, 20,000 put 2,000 put request, it is providing the free service. Relational database service for database connectivity purpose, MySQL or the DynamoDB, right? So for that, they are using the RDS is used. MySQL, MariaDB, right? For that, to connect those databases, they are using the relational database service is used. Per month, how many hours it is providing the free service? 750 hours it is providing the free service. See that it is mentioned this one. Managed relational database service for MySQL, PostgreSQL, MariaDB or the SQL service. 750 hours of Amazon RDS, single availability zone. Single availability zone, it is providing the free service. Sir, I am choosing the multiple availability zone. It's not providing the free service. Those are the limitations. Those are the limitations of your AWS free tier. See that here, the machine learning, it's a new service. It's a free trial. It's a free trial. SageMaker tool, 2 months only it is providing the free service. 2 months only it is providing the free service. Similarly, the NoSQL, DynamoDB service, always it is providing the free service, 25 GB it is providing the storage. If it exceeds the 25 GB, then you are getting the bill. Similarly, the Lambda service, always it is providing the free service. There are some limitations which are mentioned here. If you scroll down that, like that, each and every service in the AWS, they are mentioned that the limitations they are mentioned. See that there are many services are there. If you click on this one, there are other services are also there, their limitations which are representing. Sir, where those services are there means, here, this is my AWS account. This is my AWS account. See that here on left side, services option is there. Services option is there. See, here on left side, analytics service is there. Application integration service is there. Blockchain service is there. Business applications, cloud financial management, compute service, containers, customer enablement. There are many services are there. The AWS is providing many services it is providing. That's why globally it is providing in the number one cloud platform. Number one cloud platform. Right, friends? Right, friends? That is today I explore the concepts is, that is, one is how to create your AWS free tier account. How to create your AWS free tier account. And also, friends, I have to explore the AWS introduction. AWS introduction. In this AWS introduction, I am exploring the concept is the global infrastructure. Global infrastructure, I explain. I explain the AWS global infrastructure, and also I have to mention the AWS free tier limitations. Free tier limitations, right? See, those are the concepts today's session I have to mention. Only the 5 minutes is there. If it's have the 20 minutes, then I can explore the Windows server, how to launch and connect the Windows server. So don't worry, tomorrow session I have to explore how to launch and connect the Windows server. How to launch and connect the Windows server. If time is there on tomorrow session, I can launch and connect the Linux server also. I can launch and connect the Linux server also. See, anyone have any questions regarding this training program and today's session? Any questions regarding today's session? So to create your AWS free tier account, it's required. Those are the requirements. Your credit card or debit card, mobile number, and your mail ID. And your mail ID. Right? Any questions? Yes. Yes. Already I sent in the last session the detailed syllabus copy I sent it. Just wait. I'll send it. This is. Can download the content. What concepts, what content I have to cover in my training program. This is my content. Here in this content, I am not mentioned the Linux basics. However, that I have to cover the Linux basics. 2 to 3 hours, I have to cover the Linux basics. Already I told that in the yesterday session, no company is ready to invest the money that is for purchasing the servers or anything. They are using the service. They are using the service. For usage of the service, the startup companies or any companies nowadays, they are using the cloud environment. They are using the cloud environment. That's why you need to upgrade your knowledge in the cloud environment. Why, sir, you need to learn the AWS is the AWS is providing the number one cloud service platform. Number one cloud service platform. See, ultimately, any company or any industry, they are using the cloud environment only. They are not investing the money. Now they are investing the money as per their requirement. They are investing that. After 1 year or the 2 years, they need to upgrade it again. They need to invest the money. Again, they need to invest the money. No, they are not investing. If we were done it without using the cloud environment, again they need to invest the money. After the 5 years, their business will be grown very rapidly. Then again they need to purchase with high-end configuration servers. Again they need to invest the money. That's why they are not ready to invest the money. The companies, they are not ready to invest the money. They are using the cloud environment as per their business requirement. Suppose today, as per their requirement, they are chosen some configuration instance servers they are launching and they are using that one. After 1 year, their business will be increasing. Then they need to upgrade. They are using the scale up feature. They are using the scale up feature as per their requirement, as per their server configuration, without disturbing the application. They are upgrading the servers. Right? Obviously, whatever you are chosen, that is to learn the cloud environment, it's the better time. Amit, for your question, I am answering. Non-technical role is nothing but the admin role they are given. Admin role, how to maintain the servers, how the monitoring can be taken, and how we can store it, how the databases, all those things, they are the non-technical admin work. They can do it. We can do it. Okay, Vishnu, any questions? Any questions? Any questions? See, you need to consult regarding the codes. You have to contact the numbers I am sending in the chat box. The DurgaSoft numbers I am sending. You can contact. Those are the numbers. Okay. If no questions are there, I will end the session. Tomorrow, I can launch and connect the Windows server. If time is there, I have to launch and connect the Linux server also on tomorrow's session. Okay. If no questions, then I'll end the session. Thank you for attending the session. Tomorrow we'll meet the same time. Okay. Thank you.